have tank nuts off, tank off a bit, and some of the wiring is going into here on this side, so I'm just going to screw this open. Just take off this cover and give me access then. Give me access to here so I can check to see if there's any of the fuses gone. I don't think it's a fuse, it's a wire issue. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with the fuses because it's the wiring issue, because when I move the wire, that's when the issue comes in then. So there's a little bit of fray on that, but it doesn't look too much. The normal wear and tear. So yeah, that's off that side. I have a cup of tea, a drink of tea. And so the wiring, we're tracking the wiring from here all the way up along here, and then comes into here. I'd seen online that there was a lot of cable ties and they could end up pinching the connections and stuff if they're there too long. So it's coming along here, so when I flick this it goes on. I get my keys. We have light, okay, and then as we turn it, it was going off, so you can see it goes off and then it comes back on. Okay, we have a breakthrough, literally. So this wire is the broken wire and it's coming in here, so a little wire in there. So my neighbour Martin helped me out, and he had a look at the wires, pulled all the wires. I wasn't confident enough to be really giving him a good pull on it, but it worked. That snapped. He's given me some extra wire, and then I can loop the wires as well and get Bonnie fixed and then tape everything up. So that should work. I'm really happy. The community of people when you need help is unreal. So it always pays to be good and nice to people as well. But yeah, thrilled. I'll be even more thrilled now when I get it sorted. So I'm going to get this sorted, and then we'll see if she fire up. Okay, let's see if she's working properly. Yeah. Oh man. Bonnie's back. Bonnie is back. So what's left is to tape all of this up. So I'll show you the work I done. So I trimmed the wire back here. You can see it. It's up here. Up here. So this green and blue wire, sorry, yellow and blue wire up here, and use this. So Martin gave me the crimping tool. I must get one of these. This is so handy. And I must get a box of connectors. So I trimmed this back as well, put the connector on each side, and he gave me this wire then to loop, and with these joiners as well. So just to loop it in, and everything is working perfectly now. I'm so happy that I went at it, because I learned so much today about this. It seems so simple, but it would have cost me an absolute bomb in the shop. I rang a mechanic earlier and he didn't want to know about it. In fairness, look, that I don't hold that against anybody at all. He told me straight up, I love people being honest, and he was honest. So, oh man, I'm so happy with this now. But yeah, got to put everything back together now. Whoop. Have the side case to put back together, have the tank to put back on, seat to put back on, give that a little clean under there, and Bonnie's going to be good to go. Super happy. Learned so much today. So I'm going to tape all this back together. Hello, gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just going to end the video. I'm moving Paddy's now. We're going to discuss all the bits and bobs that happened. But basically, Bonnie's back running again. She's absolutely flying. And it was from the relay. So I traced it back on the paint manual, which I'll show you a little picture there. So I traced it back to the light relay in the headlamp. So that's where that came from. And I had issues with intermittent darkness when I was going to full beams in the nights. So I think that might have resolved it as well. But I'll check that on the way home later on from here when it's dark. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Bonnie's all good. Bit of mayhem for a Sunday evening. How bad? Thanks again to Paddy. He's working there in the background. And to Barry Fox. And my neighbours who helped me out as well. And until the next time, take care.